everybody, welcome to the channel from Disneyland.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
So I'm out here for a little bit of a vacation with my family. I just want to say thank you to all of you who have been following my channel this year.
2019 has been a great year. I appreciate all of you who have joined me on this adventure. I'm ending the year on a surprise trip for my wife to Disneyland. I'm a big Star Wars fan, so we are going to spend a little time in Star Wars Galaxy Edge. This is a completely immersive experience into the Star Wars universe. When you walk into this world, you are completely transported off Earth and onto an alien planet complete with stormtroopers and droids. Speaking a little Wookiee also helps out from time to time. We were able to fly the Millennium Falcon with only about a 50-minute wait time. The controls are a bit awkward, but we still had fun. Afterwards, we had a reservation at Oga's Cantina for some out-of-this-world drinks. Everywhere you walked, you saw iconic ships like the A-Wing and the X-Wing fighters, along with the characters and some questionable food choices. It was a great 3-day surprise for my wife to be able to visit Disneyland and hit all my favorite rides. She did an outstanding job at pulling off this surprise. I greatly appreciate her and all the support she gives me with my demanding job.
I also want to let you guys know I'm taking the next week off from vlogging so I can recover from this vacation and a cold. So when we come back, I'll see you all in the new year. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thank you for subscribing and have a great 2020.